first time we decided that we wanted to come to Japan, we considered that the bullet train would be the best way to go. Now, Japan is actually the birthplace of the bullet train. The first bullet train was set in motion way back in 1964. That's a great year, just saying. And in Japan they're known as Shinkansen, and translated that means bullet train. So we did quite a bit of research before getting to Japan, and just as well we did, because the Japanese rail pass can only be purchased outside of Japan. It is for overseas tourists only. So it was all done online. Scotty did it all to purchase our Japan rail passes. You can get a 7-day, a 14-day or a 21-day rail pass. They are quite expensive. It's an initial investment, but when you work out how much a rail fare costs just from point A to point B, you really only need to do 1, maybe 2 trips and you've paid for your rail pass. So the more trips you can do by rail, the better. You can activate it any time after you have purchased it, so long as you do it within
3 months.
Oh, okay. So long as you activate your rail pass within 3 months of purchase, then you're good to go. We decided that a 7-day ticket would be the best option for us, because we are only in Japan for 11 days. We haven't activated it yet, and we have been here for 3 days. We have been using a local transport card that we purchased when we arrived at the airport. And all up, including FedEx charges for us to purchase 7 days, it cost us 58,000 yen. Our bullet passes actually were FedExed to our hotel prior to us arriving. Were organised to, that arrived while we were here, and it actually came from Paris. So purchased a Japanese rail pass in Korea coming from Paris to Fukuoka, and hallelujah, it arrived the day before we are due to activate it. So we're going to be travelling on the bullet train from Fukuoka to Hiroshima today. I'm very much looking forward to it. So let's see how the bullet trains compare. We've done bullet trains in China, Taiwan, Korea, and now Japan, the birthplace. So it's got to be good. We've made it to Hakata Station. We were about to jump on our bullet train. We've activated our rail pass. See that? So, yeah, it starts obviously from the date that you've activated it. So our 7-day pass starts from today. Unlimited travel on the train. So it's going to take us about 66 minutes precisely to get from Fukuoka to Hiroshima. And that's travelling, you said about 200 kilometres? About 200 kilometres in 66 minutes. So not bad going.